In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file multiple tax returns on TurboTax. If you need to prepare separate returns for different people or situations under one Intuit account, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set them up, keep them organized, and file each one correctly. First, open TurboTax Online and sign into your Intuit account. If you're not already signed in, use the official TurboTax link in the description to get to the right place quickly and securely. Once you're in, you'll land on your current return or the main dashboard. Before you start another return, make sure the one you're working on is completed or saved. TurboTax usually auto-saves, but it's a good habit to pause, let it sink, and confirm that your progress is stored. This prevents any confusion when you switch to another return. Now head back to your main dashboard by clicking Tax Home. This is your control center in TurboTax Online and where you can manage multiple returns in one place. From the Tax Home screen, scroll down until you see the option to start a fresh file. Depending on what's showing in your account, you'll either click Add Another State or Start a New Return. Don't worry about the wording. Both options take you to a brand new return. TurboTax will open a separate return for you. Enter the personal information for the next taxpayer exactly as it applies to that individual. Each return is its own file, so the information you enter here won't affect any other return you've created in your account. If at any point you find you're not signed in or you've been logged out, simply use the link in the description to access TurboTax Online again and continue managing your returns. For each return, follow the same process you know. Enter income information, add deductions and credits, and use the built-in review to check for errors or missing details. Take your time. The review section is designed to catch common issues before you file. TurboTax automatically stores each tax return separately under your account's dashboard, so you don't need to create extra folders or file names. Every return will be kept distinct and easy to find. When you're ready to double-check what you've created, go back to your tax returns and documents. Here, confirm that all of your returns appear for the correct tax year and that each one looks complete. Finally, file each return individually. Submit one return, follow the prompts to finish, then repeat the filing steps for every additional return you prepared. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently file multiple tax returns in TurboTax.